and welcome to Tobermory. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to Tobermory. Today I'll take you on an adventure, so let's dive in. I am back and as you can see I'm wearing a swimsuit and we are in Tobermory, and I'm so excited for today because I've been planning this trip since last year and I am here to see the shipwreck, and of course I'll take you with me, so I'm so excited for this. You'll see some nice drone shots and some footage from the paddleboard. This will be fun, I guess. We woke up at 4:30 because the way is like 3.5 hours and we wanted to be early here before people start getting to there, so I want some nice shots. Paddleboard is getting pretty, very noisy, but we have this thing, very useful thing. Guys, I'm ready to go! See? So let's paddle there and see what we can see. So somewhere here should be the shipwreck, but so far I can't see because of waves. So we're gonna send drone and we will see if we can find it. I'm not sure if I'm at the right spot, but we'll find out soon. Guys, I found it. I'm gonna show you. So guys, I made it. I am back. It took me about 10 or 15 minutes to get there and then back. So it was amazing. It was probably the most incredible thing I have ever seen. And now I'm standing in front of this nice lighthouse. I'm in love with that. We took some pictures and I think we're gonna continue because we are here and it took us 3.5 hours to get to here. I think we're gonna explore more in this area. And don't forget to subscribe. We stopped at visitor center because we wanted to book parking. It wasn't possible to do it online for the grotto, but it's too late. I didn't realize that we have to book the spot at the grotto, so we just stopped by to ask if there is some possibility. But here near the visitor center there is some lookout or viewpoint or how to call it, so we're gonna check at least this, and I guess we have to come back because that was the place I wanted to see, more the shipwreck, but I wanted to see the grotto because that's so amazing, the clear blue water. So I guess you'll see it in another video. And now we're gonna go check the lookout. I should have counted the stairs. Would be fun.
Count them down.
Yeah, that's true. I will count them for you and then I'll let you know how many stairs. is actually a very nice lookout. You can see water and trees, and we were somewhere there to see the shipwreck. See, you can see, you know, the bottom. That's something for me, definitely. I hate heights, so no. Now let's go down. So the lookout has 112 steps. That's not bad. And we bought patches, yeah. So currently we are in Owen Sound and we ended up at the beach. We stopped for some food, so we're gonna eat it here. It's a nice beach actually. I have never been here, so I'll go eat and then maybe we're gonna go paddleboard also, and we will see what we got. We got tahinis. I got chicken. Oh, that's a big pieces actually. I didn't expect that. And I should have garlic thing somewhere. And also I got some mango nectar, so it will be probably delicious. This beach is almost empty. I don't understand that.
Very little. It's not in the city, like the city is there.
Yeah, but still, if you look at the whole section, there is no one there. I had just yogurt morning, so I really needed to eat. So we also got Oreo cheesecake, so I'm probably the most excited for this cheesecake. Okay guys, we are ending our day. We ended up at this beautiful beach. Today we saw the shipwreck. That was the main point of the whole trip. I also wanted to go to the grotto because it's close to this place, but we didn't make reservation, unfortunately. So I made a reservation for the shipwreck, but I forgot to make reservation for the grotto, so we missed this opportunity. And we went to ask to the visitor center and they told us that until Tuesday it's fully booked, so no chance to get there. But that's the good reason to come back to this place, to Tobermory. It's probably the most incredible thing I have ever seen. And yeah, I have some nice shots, some nice pictures, some nice memories, obviously. We found this beach, which was the closest beach to Tahinis, and yeah, the plan was just to eat, but we decided to go paddleboarding, and yeah, it was nice. It's starting to be, it's still hot, it's humid, but it's starting to be colder, and it's also like 3:30 and we woke up at 4:30. So I'm awake pretty long time, so it's time to go home and just relax, review all shots and all pictures, which I'm excited for. I also forgot that I bought patches at visitor center. So I got one Bruce Peninsula and one Fathom 5, so I got them both. I should put them to my hoodie soon. It's hoodie, jacket, something like this. So I will put them to my jacket, my patch jacket. I will show you in some video in the future, but not now. It's not ready yet. So yeah, that's just what I wanted to tell you. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments below how did you like it, and if you have ever been there. As always, I would be really happy for a like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And we are going home, so see you next time.